Assalamu alaikum. Hi there. In this video, we are going to solve Cambridge GCSE 0580 variant 13 October-November 2020. Question number 18 onwards. Question number 18. Raymond walks 2,460 meters in 33 minutes. Work out Raymond's average speed in kilometers per hour. Now here we have minutes. Usually it is seconds. So this is a little different way of writing the question. What we can do is convert meters into kilometer. How can you do that? By dividing by 1000. So this will give us 2.46 kilometer. Then you convert minutes into hour by dividing by 60. We will get 0.55. Now after this step, we need to use the formula for finding speed. Speed is equal to distance over time taken. So 2.46 kilometer over 0.55 hour. Put this in the calculator. The answer we get is 4.47 kilometer per hour. So remember that you have to change from meter to kilometer and minutes to hour. The other way, if the seconds were given. Now, if you have meter per second and you want to change it to kilometer per hour, there's a very easy way to do that. You just multiply by 18 over 5 and you will get kilometer per hour. And if kilometer per hour is given to you and you want to change it to meter per second, multiply by the reciprocal, 5 over 18. Write down these formulas, revise them so you remember them. Next we have a regular polygon has an exterior angle of 20 degrees. Work out the number of sides of this polygon. I hope you know the formula for finding this. The number of sides are equal to 360 divided by the exterior angle. Very easy, 2 marks if you know the formula. So 360 divided by 20 will give us 18. Question number 20. Without using a calculator, work out 1 over 7 multiplied by 2, 1 over 10. We can use the calculator, but we just have to show that we are not using the calculator. I'll show you the correct way first, and then I'll show you how to use the calculator. So we multiply 1 multiplied by 7, and whatever answer we get, we add it to the number on the top. So 1 multiplied by 7 is 7, 7 plus 1, 8 over 7. The same we are going to do with 2 multiplied by 10, 20 plus 1, 21 over 10. Now how will you do this in the calculator? You press the shift button and press the fraction one, you will get 3 boxes like this. Put it in the calculator and there your answer is 8 over 7. This is the way of putting in the calculator. Some children just write the fraction 1 over 7 and they multiply by 1. This is a wrong way of doing it. Now, because it's a 3-mark question, we want to show more steps. Multiply the top. So 8 multiplied by 21 is 168. And 7 multiplied by 10 is 70. Put this in the calculator now and you will get 12 over 5. After this, you want to change it to a mixed number. This is also possible in the calculator. Just before the delete button, there is that SD like this. So you press shift and this SD button and your number will turn into a mixed fraction, which is 2 over 5. I hope you're able to do this in the calculator. Moving on to the next question. element is children in a group. R is children who own a rabbit. H, children who own a hamster. There are 40 children in the group, so total there are 40. 19 children own a rabbit. 27 children own a hamster. Complete the Venn diagram. We know that this is hamster and there are 27 children, and the ones who have only hamster are 16. So 27 minus 16 will give us the intersection, which is 11. And 19 children own a rabbit, so this whole circle is 19. We have to find this part. That will be 19 minus 11, which is 8. Just to be sure, add all the numbers together and see that they are adding to 40. Always you have to add this whole thing and they will equal to the total elements in the Venn diagram. Write down N, R intersection H. So the number who have R and H, that is our intersection, that's the middle part here, and that is 11. That is our answer. In question number 22, we have been given a right angle triangle and two sides have been given to us. We have to find the third side, PQ. As it is a right angle triangle, we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem, which is a square plus b square is equal to c square. Here I'll show you a trick. If you want to find the hypotenuse, what is the hypotenuse? The side opposite the right angle. If you want to find the hypotenuse, then whatever sides we have, we write them down and square root the answer. Square them and square root the answer. To find any other side, either you want to find the adjacent or the opposite, any other side, an hypotenuse is given to us, we write the value of the hypotenuse, square it, and subtract from it whichever side has been given to us, and square root the answer. Here the hypotenuse is given to us, which is 11.5. So we write 11.5 square minus the other side which is given to us, which is 7.2 square. That is going to be 8.967, rounded to two decimal place, 8.97. Question number 23. Solve the simultaneous equations and you must show all your working. You really must practice a lot of simultaneous equations because once you get the hang of it, it's an easy 3 marks. So for this question, we have to eliminate either x or y. For that, you need to have a same coefficient. Always, I prefer to choose the one where the signs are different. We just have to add then. If I want to make 4y same as 8, I have to multiply everything by 2. This will give me 2x plus 8y is equal to 8. Now, I will add both of them together. If the signs are different, we add. So 2 plus 3, 5x. 8 plus minus 8 is 0. The y gets cancelled. 8 plus 22 will give us 30. X is equal to, shift the 5 to the other side, it will be a divide. X is equal to 6. You can choose which equation you want and in place of x, substitute 6. I'm choosing this one. So 6 plus 4y is equal to 4. 4y is equal to 4 minus 6, which is negative 2. Negative 2 divided by 4 will give us negative half. We found our x, which is 6, and our y, which is negative half. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.